So I ordered pop-on veneers recently and they just came in this week, as you can see. And I can honestly say it's the best amount of money I've ever spent. I've never been confident about my smile or shown my teeth, and I get married in about a month and a half. And my biggest thing was I needed to fix my teeth. They were bad. And now I feel like a completely different person. My family say I look like a different person. It's crazy how much a smile can change how you come off to people. And I would tell anyone that needs to fix their smile, it was simple, it was quick. In less than 2 weeks, I had my new teeth. And for the price, you really cannot beat it. It really has changed my life. And I don't know what I would do without pop-on veneers. As you can see, it goes right to the gum line. They look completely real. I was worried about them looking almost plastic, but they really don't. It does take a little bit of time to get used to, and it takes a second for the lisp to go away, but they're comfortable to drink with, talk with, and everyone in my family that I know is so impressed, and so am I. Thank you, Pop-On Veneers.